I'm Phil Rice, and welcome to my journey land from Karuah River. I'll be taking you on a journey of exploration, not only of the mighty Karuah River, but of a man's journey to explore his subconscious. You see in my book, the 9 parts of the brain. One of those parts is a little like a river. It flows here, it flows there. It rises and falls with the tides. But what does it all mean? Nobody knows. Is it just a place for the little fishes to swim and have fun in the sun? Who knows? I don't. You don't. Maybe on this journey we may solve some of those little issues and problems that beset us all. What are we doing here?
The Arkansas Trailor are getting there all the while.
I've been getting there all the while, I've been getting there all the while.